Brought the car outside to do the sanding, keep most of the mess outside. Just kind of roughing it in right now, and then I'll go over it with a little bit more filler and then hand sand it, and then probably a final body filler coat. So you kind of get the picture, you know, it's kind of uninteresting just to watch somebody sand, but this, you know, it just makes for short videos because I'm just showing what I've done, because I'm not going to show the sanding aspect. A little filler on those door dings, they're just too hard to, it was impossible to get in there with a body hammer, and they were so minor that's no big deal anyway. And put a second coat of duraglass in a few spots there, some auto body filler there to fill the sand marks because that feels pretty darn good. And over here I had a little low spot right here and a little low area there, and so that's probably going to be the final coat of duraglass, and then the next will be auto body filler. But I think while the car's outside I'll sand this and the rest of the deck there, and maybe clean the car up a little bit before I put it back in. It's actually turned out to be they're predicting rain, but no, it turned out nice. So here, I'll do a little video of the car outside in the sun. I can't see what the viewfinder is looking at as I'm holding the camera such to where I cannot see, but you can, and I will be able to when I edit the video up. The paint's dirty, you know, it's covered in dust. I need to take a wet towel and wipe it down. But yeah, it looks super nice. Let me open the trunk. I'll even get a view in the trunk compartment with the camera. There we go. A little better view in the daylight. Probably in the next, probably tomorrow. It's supposed to be a rainy, nasty day tomorrow, so I'm probably going to get the trunk lid, the weather strip tail lights out so I can start getting this all prepped too. And like I say, I'm hoping to get this sanded out before I put it back in. And I like to let my fillers dry 24 hours, so probably sand that out tomorrow or the next day. And but yeah, it's moving along. The back's going to be ready for primer probably early next week, and maybe I'll even prime it if we get a nice day. I'll back it out and shoot a coat of primer on it, and then be ready for blocking and painting, which is no big deal. Yeah, even the engine's all covered in dust. I'll have to just wash the car really good when I'm done with it. But here, I'll give you some views of everything. Like I say, I don't know, I can't see the viewfinder, so we'll learn together what I videoed, and I'll get some of the paint too. Even though it's covered in dust, it still looks pretty darn good. going to look nice when it's all painted up. I did give the second coat a rough sanding with the machine, and I mean a rough, just super quick. It feels pretty good, but you can see imperfections in the glass or duraglass or whatever you want to call it. And I gave this a quick just to take the heavy stuff off, because I'm going to sand that out by hand. I'm going to sand this out by hand and then put some of that stuff on it and sand it out by hand. Try and get this stuff done this weekend. And if I have, I gotta go to the grocery store. It's been a week, and I need to get some stuff, and I'll sand those spots out this weekend too. And I gave these a rough second sanding with the glass, and that feels pretty good too. So I'll give that some more hand sanding tomorrow, and then I'll put some filler on that and try and get this stuff finished up. And I sanded out, D8 out this quarter panel and the deck there. So if it's, like I say, if it's rainy, we got plenty to do. But I'm going to try and do my sanding outside when I can. I might hand sand inside, hand sand this, but machine sanding this was just completely covered in dust. I had to take the leaf blower and blow the interior and everything out, blow everything out really good, and then I took the air hose after the leaf blower and cleaned it up. So anyway, I'm going to warm it up and put it back in the garage. I'm not going to set the choke, I'm just going to see what it does. Guess I probably should have set the choke. Cold lights on too. I'm going to put it neutral, let it warm up. The parking brake's on. Oh, and I put that 6 gallons of gas in the tank. And like I say, I'll let it warm up. Oh, 10 or 15 minutes, and I'll pull it in. Another thing too, since I cleaned 10 tons of junk out of the car, out of the trunk, it sits pretty level. I'm pretty happy with the way it sits. I think once the rest of the front end stuff is on, the additional weight of the hood and bumpers and all that stuff, it'll be just fine. The only thing really lacking on the rear is the rear bumper right now. So I'm pretty happy with the stance of the car. I think it sits pretty good. Still running on the fast idle. Looks funny without the top, doesn't it? Kind of looks good. I should put the top frame down, but I don't want it in my way working there. I don't want to get stuff all over it. There we go. I got a coat of Bondo on it, or auto body filler, or whatever you want to call it. Everyone has their own names for it. Mud. There's a dent right there too, so I got that, and it was just very minor. Almost missed it. It was so minor, but I thought I'll get it. But I'll hand sand all this, and I might need to do maybe get some of that heavy lump off there, so I don't have to do so much sanding. But yeah, I'll hand sand that, and then may have to hit it again in a few spots, so some filler. We'll see. It might turn out good. Just need to sand it and then decide. Yeah, I know this video is short, and a lot of my videos have been short lately, but sanding is pretty darn boring to watch. I don't think it's boring to do, let alone watch. So that's why I just don't make videos of sanding. But I wanted to put a video up. My dad watches my videos too and likes to know what I'm doing on the car. So that's why I'm putting these short ones up too, so everyone can kind of keep track of what I'm doing. And Brad, thank you very much for the paper towels and TP and stuff you dropped by. I greatly appreciate it. The roll of paper towels there is getting thin, and so I'll be digging into them soon, because especially when I start needing them to wipe the solvents, the wax and grease removers and stuff like that on here, so I can prime and paint. That's when I and clean the spray guns. That's when I go through the paper towels. Well, if you like my videos, definitely hit the like button. And if you want to see this beautiful old Galaxie come back to life and look amazing again, subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.